This is how you turn dark mode on and off on your phone. It's done primarily in the settings app. If we go down to the main or on the main settings page, we go down to display and brightness. Here we have a light and dark option. Tap on dark and you have dark mode turned on. Super simple. You can do this manually whenever you want to make the switch. You can have it done automatically based on a certain schedule. Tap on here for more options. You can have it go sunset to sunrise and the phone will auto detect when sunset and sunrise is and switch modes. Or you can have it on a custom schedule. This one right here is 7 a.m. it goes to light and then at 10 p.m. it goes to dark. Tap on these times to change them to whatever time you want. I'm going to put mine sunrise to sunset. If you want to have a darker aesthetic on your phone, there's something else you can do. You tap and hold on any part of the home screen on your phone, and then tap on edit up here, and then tap on customize. And then down here, we can choose dark mode, which changes the apps to dark mode. And this little sun icon here, you'll notice it makes it lighter and darker. So you can do those two things to make dark mode a little more prominent, so to speak. And when these apps are set this way, if you go back in the settings, you'll notice that the apps here are also set to dark mode. If you go back in this video, you'll see these apps are set to light mode before we did that switch on the home screen. So those are the ways that you can convert and set your phone to dark mode and have it done automatically for you if you want. And this right here is the way to scam proof your phone. Download this PDF document. It's totally free. I made it for you. Scan this QR code or click the link in the top of the description or in the pinned comment. You can get this for free and scam proof your phone today. And then check out this video right here. It's going to show you all the ways that Apple is tracking you through your iPhone and how to turn those off if you want to. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.